Digital coaching has emerged as a transformative approach to personal and professional development, leveraging technology to connect coaches and learners across distances. In recent years, India has witnessed a significant rise in the demand for skilled digital coaches, driven by the rapid adoption of online learning platforms and remote work practices. Individuals and organizations alike are seeking expert guidance to navigate digital tools, enhance productivity, and achieve their goals in a virtual environment. This growing trend reflects a broader shift towards flexible, accessible learning solutions that cater to diverse needs. As more people recognize the benefits of digital coaching, the industry continues to expand, offering new opportunities for professionals who can deliver effective, technology enabled support. Many online communities promise rapid growth, exclusive insights, or instant success, often using flashy marketing to attract new members. However, these groups can sometimes prioritize hype over substance, offering little in the way of genuine support or actionable advice. Members may find themselves overwhelmed by constant promotions or pressured to purchase additional products. The sense of belonging can be superficial, with interactions focused more on maintaining appearances than fostering meaningful connections. As a result, individuals may invest time and money without seeing tangible improvements in their skills or outcomes. It's important to evaluate the true value and authenticity of a community before joining, rather than being swayed by impressive claims or polished presentations. Guruji Sunil Chaudhary is widely recognized for his distinctive approach to digital coaching, which emphasizes practical guidance and authentic support. He combines deep industry knowledge with a sincere commitment to helping individuals achieve their personal and professional goals. Rather than offering generic advice, Guruji tailors his coaching to address the unique needs of each learner. His reputation is built on trust, transparency, and a genuine desire to see others succeed. Many clients appreciate his hands on involvement and the encouragement he provides throughout their digital transformation journey. This dedication has earned him respect and loyalty within the coaching community. Becoming a CBS Sudarshan member offers a range of valuable benefits tailored to support practical success. Members gain access to exclusive resources, expert guidance, and a network of like minded individuals committed to personal and professional growth. The program is structured to provide hands on learning opportunities, real world case studies, and actionable strategies that can be implemented immediately. Regular workshops and interactive sessions ensure that members stay updated with the latest industry trends and best practices. Additionally, personalized mentorship helps individuals overcome challenges and achieve their goals efficiently. By focusing on practical applications, CBS Sudarshan empowers its members to translate knowledge into measurable results. Setting up your digital coaching system in just 30 days is achievable with a clear step-by-step approach. Begin by defining your coaching niche and target audience, ensuring your services align with their needs. Next, select essential tools such as a reliable video conferencing platform, scheduling software, and a secure payment gateway. Design your coaching packages and create a professional website to showcase your offerings. Integrate automated email sequences to streamline client onboarding and communication. Finally, test each component thoroughly to ensure a smooth client experience before officially launching your digital coaching system. Guruji Sunil Chaudhary offers personalized support at every step of your digital coaching journey. His approach ensures that guidance is tailored to your individual needs and goals, helping you overcome challenges unique to your path. With direct access to his expertise, you receive timely feedback and encouragement, making the learning process more effective and engaging. This personalized attention fosters confidence and accelerates your progress, allowing you to make the most of your digital coaching experience. An effective landing page is essential for attracting and converting potential clients. It should feature a clear and compelling headline that immediately communicates the value of your offer. Visual elements, such as images or videos, can help engage visitors and reinforce your message. Concise, persuasive copy guides users toward taking action, whether it's signing up, making a purchase, or requesting more information. Including testimonials or trust signals, like client logos or security badges, can build credibility and reduce hesitation. A prominent call to action button ensures visitors know exactly what step to take next. By combining these elements, your landing page becomes a powerful tool for turning interest into meaningful client relationships. Automation has become a key driver in optimizing business operations and enhancing client management. By integrating automated systems, organizations can reduce manual tasks, minimize errors, and improve overall efficiency. Streamlined processes allow teams to focus on strategic initiatives rather than repetitive administrative work. Automated client management tools help maintain accurate records, track interactions, and deliver personalized experiences. This approach not only saves time but also supports better decision making through real time data and analytics. As businesses continue to evolve, automation remains essential for maintaining competitiveness and fostering growth. Creating a compelling lead magnet is a strategic way to attract and engage your target audience. A lead magnet is typically a valuable resource, such as an ebook, checklist, or exclusive video offered in exchange for contact information. The key is to address a specific problem or need that resonates with your audience, ensuring the content is both relevant and actionable. By delivering immediate value, you build trust and encourage potential customers to take the next step. Well-designed lead magnets not only increase your subscriber base but also help qualify leads who are genuinely interested in your offerings. Careful planning and understanding of your audience's preferences are essential for maximizing the effectiveness of your lead magnet. Designing and launching your own online course as a digital coach begins with identifying the specific skills or knowledge you want to share. Start by outlining clear learning objectives and structuring your content into manageable modules or lessons. Consider the needs and preferences of your target audience to ensure your material is engaging and relevant. Once your course is developed, choose a suitable platform for hosting and delivering your content, such as Teachable, Udemy, or your own website. Incorporate interactive elements like quizzes, assignments, or discussion forums to enhance the learning experience. Before launching, test your course thoroughly to address any technical issues and gather feedback for improvement. With thoughtful planning and execution, your online course can become a valuable resource for learners worldwide. Establishing effective email sequences is a crucial strategy for nurturing leads and fostering lasting relationships. By carefully planning the timing and content of each message, businesses can guide potential customers through the decision-making process. Personalized emails that address specific needs and interests help to build trust and demonstrate value. Automated sequences ensure consistent communication, reducing the risk of missed opportunities. Monitoring engagement metrics allows for ongoing refinement, ensuring that messages remain relevant and impactful. Ultimately, a well-designed email sequence can turn initial interest into loyal customer relationships. Setting up a learning management system, or LMS, is a crucial step in ensuring smooth course delivery and fostering student engagement. The configuration process typically begins with organizing course materials, such as lectures, assignments, and resources, into an intuitive structure. Customizing user roles and permissions helps instructors manage their classes efficiently while providing students with appropriate access. Integrating communication tools, like discussion forums and messaging, encourages interaction and collaboration among participants. Automated notifications and progress tracking features keep learners informed and motivated. By thoughtfully configuring these elements, educators create an environment that supports both effective teaching and active learning. Achieving lasting success with digital coaching requires more than just initial setup. It is essential to ensure that every aspect of the platform is fully implemented, from onboarding to integration with existing systems. Ongoing support plays a critical role in maintaining momentum addressing user concerns and adapting to evolving needs. Regular updates and feedback mechanisms help refine the experience, keeping it relevant and effective. By prioritizing comprehensive implementation and continuous assistance, organizations can foster sustained engagement and drive meaningful results through digital coaching. To begin your journey as a successful digital coach with Guruji Sunil Chaudhary, the first step is to connect through his official website or social media platforms. Once you reach out, you'll receive guidance on enrolling in his coaching programs, which are designed to help you build expertise and confidence in the digital space. Guruji Sunil Chaudhary offers structured modules, live sessions, and personalized mentorship to ensure you develop the necessary skills. As you progress, you'll gain access to a supportive community of fellow learners and coaches, fostering collaboration and growth. With consistent effort and the right guidance, you can transform your passion into a thriving digital coaching career.